Guys, look at this wind. It's absolutely crazy. And it's scary. How?
Mommy, scary.
It's crazy. No way the dogs are gonna come outside. God. That's crazy. You're recording too? Wow.
Mommy, red. Yours.
I'm barefoot. I think it stopped. No. Look. Let me zoom out. That's crazy. I felt water. I literally felt water. It's gonna rain again. I felt water. Look at this car. Am I zoomed out? Yeah. It's gonna rain. Say it's gonna rain. No?
Nope.
A rain.
Rain.
Yeah. Huh? Oh, the. Whose money is that? Is that my money? Is that my money? I gave the baby the towel. Now, in a better news, I give the baby the towel. On the couch? Okay. Look at him. But we will be looking at the crazy wind.
Drunk.
Because I felt a raindrop.
Don't rain.
Oh, it's so blurry.
Don't rain.
It's so windy that I can't even concentrate. Oh, it's concentrating. Concentrating. Matthew, what are you doing? What are you doing? You sure? What do you want?
I'm doing a raindrop.
Say hi.
Hi.
Now you. You say hi.
Hi.
Say hi. There's ants in your plant.
I know.
See that little guy? You guys see that little guy? Where is he?
Look.
Where is it?
Yeah.
There's a lot of little ants in have to spray.
Say hi.
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 Just the baby could say hi. Look at this Gatorade. I got wet yesterday.
Matthew. Hey. You're gonna be out here?
No.
Door's gonna close.
Well, I'll be out here for a little bit. It's not even. That scared me. It's not even cold.
No.
It's fresh out here. You guys are watching this? You guys should go outside. It's so fresh.
Rain.
Well, you could do that. You could go outside. You don't have to go outside.
Rain. Rain. Go
I wonder if
outside.
these houses near here watch my videos.
Rain.
Probably not. Oh, what the heck is on me? Something's on me. Oh, it's an ant. Ow. Hmm.
Ow! Ow! Ring! Ow! Ring!
About
Ow! Ow!
on
Ow!
my feet. Ah! There's an ant on me again. There's an ant on me again. Couch. There's ants on the couch. There's ants everywhere. Money, 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 money. Look at this dude. Money, 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 money. Money! So bad for the people who don't have money. Where's the money? I'll leave it here. Ah! Guys, I think I'm gonna leave. I'm gonna go inside. I'm gonna go inside. I'm gonna go inside. I'm gonna go inside. Matthew, come on. Let's go inside.
No.
Let's go inside right now. There's a bee, bruh. Better not come inside. I'm cold now. Matthew, you wanna come inside? No? Because I'm cold. I'm not cold. Look at this cute boy.
No!
What?
This!
What do you want?
What is that?
What is that? Is that a clump? What do you have? I think that was a bee. What is it?
This.
What is that?
Go.
And, oh, frick, he took it out of your plant.
What?
The flower. The orange thing.
Déjame, están acá mis flores.
Oh.
Dentro.
Oh, frick.
Hurry up.
Okay, guys. Look at this. I have not built. I didn't build it yet. Because of this dude. So, bye.
My ring.